Alright, today we're removing the left tail light from a 05 Toyota 4Runner. You will need a 10mm 3/8 drive socket, deep well for the top bolt, an impact or a 3/8 drive ratchet, and about a 6" extension. Alright, to get to the top bolt, you'll have to take a quarter trim panel that goes around your window off, which will be 10mm. Usually one right here, one right over there. This one's already been taken off. This little knob right here, take it off. Sometimes they turn, sometimes they don't. That one's wanting to be a pain, so you can pry it out. Me, I do it a little different. I try to find the shortcut. So, what I'm gonna do with the shortcut is put it right here. This open space that's right here. You can stick a long extension in 10mm through there. Like so. To get to that 10mm bolt right there. Just kind of pull it around, get it on there like so. This is your top bolt and it's your long bolt. We're going to go ahead and take this one loose. And then we have this one right here. As you can see, this is your bottom bolt. See if I can get it up in there. Usually on this, I would use a swivel socket. I don't have it on me at the time. Swivel sockets are awesome, but you can get it on there at an angle like that. But then you have your plug right here. A little tab right here. All you do is push it in and pull. The light's unplugged. Then you'll come to the outside and just gently pull straight out. Like so. And the tail light is removed. It's fairly easy. Make sure to keep all your bolts so that you can put it back together. Remember where they go. If you don't remember or can't remember, either write them down or take pictures as you go and then put them back in the reverse operation to reinstall it. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. More videos coming in the future. Thank you.